this is Simone back with another video. Thank you for tuning in. So the first thing that I'm doing is putting on my foundation, and this is the Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. And this foundation is like a shade lighter than my actual skin color, so I'm gonna have to go and get a new one, but we just gonna do what it do. Okay, so I also wanted to say thank you guys for watching my videos. It does mean a lot to me when you guys watch them. I'm not sure if you guys like the type of videos that I've been putting out, like with the different looks, but the looks that I try to come up with are either Pinterest inspired or what I see on Instagram. So yeah, I just try to keep the creativity going, I should say. But yeah, I'm just putting on this foundation and I'll come back. The BH Cosmetics 117 brush for my foundation, and then I'm using the Cool Tan LA Girl concealer for my under eye highlight. I didn't go in with font this time because I wanted a little brighter highlight under my eyes, so yeah, I'm just using that for my highlight. But yeah, y'all already know how this goes. So y'all seen me put on my foundation and my concealer. I tried to do it a different way, like putting foundation first, my highlight, and then my powders, and then do my eyebrows. But let me know if y'all like to see it this way. I'm just gonna go back to doing it my regular way because I did not like the outcome, but I wanted to get this video out anyways. But yeah, I'm not gonna ramble too much. Y'all can just watch, enjoy the music, and yeah, make sure y'all subscribe, like this video, comment down below what you guys want to see more of, like what type of looks. Give me some ideas, like celebrity inspired or whatever, and let me know if you guys liked the Megan Thee Stallion inspired look. I really love doing that. But yeah, I'll come back once I get to the eyeshadow. onto the eyeshadow, I used the BH Cosmetics 120 first edition palette. And this palette has like a whole bunch of colors. It's not like the second edition, the first edition. It just has like the rainbow themed in a, I don't know how to describe it, but anyways, I'm taking the hot pink out of that. Y'all can use whatever palette you want, whatever palette that has a hot pink in it. So yeah, I just put that on, and then I'm trying to take off whatever's on my lid. That way I can put on a base for the next color eyeshadow to stick to. And so I'm just putting this, I believe it's Maybelline True Match, the stick concealer. I'm just putting this on my lid to make it look like a cut crease. I'm not really, I don't know, this day it just didn't want to go on my lid right. I don't know if my lid was too wet or whatever, but it's a trial and error with this makeup stuff, y'all. So I just made it work, and I'm just putting that on my lid, and then I'm going to add the eyeshadow on top of it. I'm using the same palette, and I'm just putting a white eyeshadow on top, and then I'm gonna take the brush and just blend out the crease area. I didn't want it to be too sharp. And then I go back in with the pink, and then just fade it out on the edges, on the edge of the white. I hope I'm explaining this. What was that? I hope I'm explaining this correctly. But yeah, I'm just taking the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm using this shimmery white eyeshadow, and I'm just putting that on top because I wanted a glittery type of look. And yeah, I have my lashes on and my liner, and then we just gonna get into the rest of the face, which y'all already know. Okay, so, and I'll come back when, you know, everything is done. Okay, so I'm lining my lips with NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. I didn't want to go for, I have one that's called Y2K, but that one's a little dark. But I went with this MAC lipstick. I can't remember what the color is. I'll make sure to leave it down in the description box. I'm just gonna put everything in the description box, that way you guys know what exactly I use. But yeah, and then I put on some Victoria's Secret lip gloss, and this is the finished outcome. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.